Oh, hey! So, you want to learn how to upload anime episodes on YouTube without being hit by copyright? Well, it's very simple. Step 1. Figure out which anime you want to upload onto YouTube. It could be something as simple as Death Note, it could be Dragon Ball Z, or you can go into one of the ones that not a lot of people watch, for obvious reasons. And now, a guest to help me with step 2.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I.
Oh, you didn't like that guest? Well, here, I got another one for you.
Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You're har, fiddle-dee-dee. Being a pirate is a rat-a-tee. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free.